Hello students, in the previous session we have discussed regarding the exercise number 11.1 examples we have completed, and even I think 2 or 3 examples I had given you as a homework. Okay, so next part what we are going to see is 2 derivations we are going to make today. Equation of a line in space. You all know equation of a line in plane. Plane ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 3-dimensional geometry, ಸಾರಿ 2-dimensional geometry ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು equation of a line in space ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, we have studied equations of lines in 2 dimensions when in 11th standard, vector and Cartesian equations. So when is line uniquely determined? ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ uniquely determined? First thing is what? It should pass through a given point and it should have a given direction, or it should pass through 2 given points. Okay, first thing what we are seeing, first derivation is what? Equation of a line through a given point and it should be parallel to the given vector B here. So this is the diagram here what I have drawn. I have taken 3 axes, x axis, y axis and z axis. All these 3 are perpendicular to each other. Okay, next what I am going to do, I am going to take one more parallel vector here. This vector is taken as what? B. Okay, so now A is what here? A is what? It is the position vector of the given point A. Okay, here is the given point A. ಈ A point ಇಂದ ಇದು A ಏನದಲ್ಲ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದ with respect to what? Origin. Okay, so this is the point where your line L is passing through. Okay, so A is what here? A is position vector with respect to the origin O. Okay, and now it forms a rectangular coordinate system. So let L be one line which passes through the point A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೇವೆ ನಾವು? L ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we are taking one line A and that line should pass through this point A. Okay, and it should be parallel to the given vector. This should be parallel to the given vector. So what all we determine now? First we have taken A, this vector A. What this is vector A? This is what? Position vector. So first ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A is what? It is a position vector. Okay, through the point A, through the given point what? So given point is A. Okay, then with respect to what? With respect to origin O. So this is with respect to the origin O. Then we have taken one more, that is what? It should be parallel to B. Okay, we are drawing a line L. So this is a line L. Okay, this should be parallel to the given vector, that is B. Okay, next R be any position vector of an arbitrary point P. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಈ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ. ಸೊ OP, this is one position vector, that OP we have determined by R. Okay, then for OA with respect to origin we have taken it as A. Okay, this is the description of the diagram. Next we know that AP is parallel to the vector B, correct? This AP, so this is parallel to vector B. So AP ಏನದಲ್ಲ B ಗ parallel ಅದ. Okay, so now I can write AP position vector is equal to lambda times of B. Okay, where what? This lambda is what? Lambda is real number. ಸೊ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, then AP is equal to what? Lambda times of B. Okay, we know that from this diagram, if you see AP, you can write it as OP minus OA. Okay, so AP is equal to what? OP minus OA. Okay, now I substitute here OP minus OA. AP andra OP minus OA is equal to lambda times of B. OP minus OA ಏನು? OP andra position vector R minus A is equal to lambda times of B. So R minus A is equal to lambda times of B. So conversely, we write it as R is equal to what? A plus lambda B. So this is very important. So this itself is what? It is a equation of a line through a given point which is parallel to the given vector. R is equal to what? A plus lambda B. ಈ A ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A plus lambda B. Okay, so any parameter lambda B, any parameter. Okay, so the equation, line equation is given by R is equal to A plus lambda B. So, okay, I'll tell it once again. You are taking one position vector here A with respect to the point A, origin in the tagolikatiri, so that is known as what? A. Then this OP is one more position vector, this PB any arbitrary point what you are taking, and this vector you have named it as R, and you are drawing the line L which is passing through this point A. Okay, so this L line what you have taken, it should be what? Parallel to the given vector B. Then the equation of a line becomes what? AP is equal to lambda times of B. AP you can write it as OP minus OA. OP andre enili R, OA andre A. Therefore R minus A is equal to lambda times of B. Therefore R is equal to A plus lambda B, which is a standard derivation for equation of a line through a given point and parallel to the given vector B. Okay, so remember this derivation properly. Next, I have to derive this equation in Cartesian form from vector form. This is in which form? Vector form nagada. Idan nana Cartesian form na derive ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Cartesian ಅಂದ್ರೆ Cartesian coordinates ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾವ? X, y. If it is with respect to plane. If it is with respect to space, X, Y, Z. So ನಿಮ್ದು Cartesian ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾಗ್ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್. ಟು ನೋಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಸಮ್ ರಿಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ AI plus BJ plus C times of K. Okay, where A, B, C are what? Your direction ratios. Next, if you want this is, then R we write it as XI plus YJ plus ZK. Okay, remember these two things. So note ಅಂತಂದು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು. So B is what? AI plus BJ plus CK, where A, B, C are what? They are direction ratios. Next, XI plus YJ plus ZK. ಇದು standard R in the, you know it probably. So R is equal to XI plus YJ plus ZK. So next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to derive this equation in, this is what? Derivation of Cartesian form from vector form. So ಈಗ Cartesian form ಈಗ ನಾವು derive ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Vector form you all know it. What is the vector form? Just now we have derived it. R is equal to A plus lambda times of b. Okay, so very simple. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು r value, a value, b value substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So just now I said r is equal to what? xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, next a is equal to at any point ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So a point ಈಗ ನಾವು x1 y1 z1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Cartesian coordinates x1 y1 z1. If we are taking the coordinates of a point a which is directed towards the line, then your vector position vector a will become what? x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Okay, then b, already I told you what it is. ai plus bj plus ck. So a b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ai plus bj plus ck, where a b c are what? Direction ratios. r ಅಂದ್ರೆ standard xi plus yj plus zk. So a position ಅಂದ್ರೆ with respect to point a ತಗೋತೀರಿ. point a ನ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ? 3 coordinates. What are those 3 coordinates? x1 y1 z1. Now what I have to do? I have to substitute r, a, b values in this equation. Call this as equation number 1. All these 3 together 2. Substituting 2 in 1. So r is equal to another xi plus yj plus z times of k is equal to, then a value. What is a value? x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda times of, what is b value? a times of I plus b times of j plus c times of k. Okay, this part I have kept it as it is. Here I take I common, then I can write I cap into bracket x1 a lambda. Okay, then plus j cap into y1 plus b lambda plus k cap into bracket, what it is? z1 plus c lambda. Okay, what I have done? I have taken I common from these two. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 ಉಳಿತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a into lambda ಉಳಿತದ, plus j cap I have taken y1 into b lambda plus k cap common ತಗೊಂಡೇನಿ. So z1 into c lambda ಉಳಿತದ. Okay, now this side what it is there? xi plus y times of j plus z times of k. Correct? So now what you will get? Comparing these two equations. I na I jote compare madri. So I the coordinates baribeku. X is equal to x1 plus a times of lambda. Okay, next y is equal to y1 plus b times of lambda. Z is equal to z1 plus c times of lambda. Okay, equating I coefficients with I, j coefficients with j, k coefficients with k. Okay, now lambda value find madri. Lambda is equal to x minus x1 divided by a. Lambda is equal to, in this equation, y minus y1 divided by b. Then lambda is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Here lambda ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, x1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. All these three are equal to what? Lambda. So now I eliminate lambda. Eliminate parameter lambda. So x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. So this is a Cartesian form. From vector form you have derived it to the Cartesian form, which is free from lambda. Okay, so here what I have taken, first to r value x, y, z, k. A value x1i plus y1j plus z1k, B value ai plus bj plus ck. Next, R is equal to A plus lambda B. Substitute R value, A value, B value. Okay. After substituting, taking I coefficients on one side, j coefficients, then k coefficients. Then equating both. Here both are equal to I coefficients. So x is equal to x1 plus A lambda. Here both j. So y is equal to y1 plus B lambda. Here both is equal to k. So z is equal to z1 plus c lambda. So next what you have to do after equating, lambda value find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. That all three are equal to lambda. So eliminating lambda ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದಾವಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. This is what derivation of Cartesian form from vector form. So first what we have derived equation of a line through a given point and which is parallel to the vector b. Okay, this is what we got, a plus lambda times of b. So next what we have derived, the same derivation we have derived it in Cartesian form. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, derive the Cartesian form from vector form of an equation of a line through a given point which is parallel to vector b ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ you have to derive this equation. Okay, so next class I am going to derive when it is equation of a line passing through 2 points. This was passing through one given point. So next derivation, equation of a line passing through 2 given points. Other male one derivation, then derivation of Cartesian form again from vector form. Okay, these two we shall see it in the next class. Thank you.